a tiny bee.
In beach, fun and sand, tiny shells in my hand. Waves so high, waves so low, to the sunny beach let's go. Splish, splash, waves crash down, building castles wearing my crown. Jumping crabs here and there, salty breeze in my hair. Sun so bright up in the sky, seagulls over the water fly. Sandcastles rise, towers so tall, waves come and touch them all. Beach, beach, fun and sand, tiny shells in my hand. Waves so high, waves so low, to the sunny beach let's go. Digging deep, find something cool, a shiny pebble in a sandy pool. Ocean's treasures clear and bright, sparkling under the sunlight. Bucket and spade, scoop and pour, every wave offers more. Laughter and games under the sun, at the beach we all have fun. Beach, beach, fun and sand, tiny shells in my hand. Waves so high, waves so low, to the sunny beach let's go. Picnic by the sea so wide, sandwiches and juice beside. Cool watermelon, sweet to taste, no drop of summer goes to waste. Footprints left where we roam, by sunset it's time to head home. Sandy toes and a sun-kissed nose, that's how our beach day goes. Beach, beach, fun and sand, tiny shells in my hand. Waves so high, waves so low, to the sunny beach let's go. So let's dance where the dolphins dive, at the beach we feel alive. Splashing, laughing in a row, beach fun, come on let's go.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.